Namaskar children, once again I Shraddha ma'am welcome you all. Let us start our class with a prayer. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Rub your hands. Put them on your eyes. Open your eyes slowly. Namaskar children. Do you remember what we did in our last class? We did letter Y and letter Z. So that has completed our A to Z. Now what we are going to do today? We are going to revise our A to Z again. And this will be in your textbook and notebook. We are going to revise A to Z. This is your textbook page and our homework will be in the notebook. But before that children, we will do a small rhyme. Are you all ready with me? Okay, enjoy the rhyme and try and sing along with me. Okay children, let us start. Annie had a ball. The Annie had a ball and the cat like the dog. The cat like the dog. The engine ran fast. The engine ran fast. The gate of the house. The gate of the house. The insect in the jam. The insect in the jam. The kite in the line. The kite in the line. The mango in the nest. The mango in the nest. And orange in the pot. The orange in the pot. The queen had a ring. The queen had a ring. Snake on the tree. The snake on the tree. And umbrella in the van. Umbrella in the van. The watch in the yak. The watch in the yak with the zebra. With the zebra. So students, did you all enjoy our rhyme? Let us all once again sing this rhyme. Are you all ready? Annie had a ball. The Annie had a ball and the cat like the dog. The cat like the dog. The engine ran fast. The engine ran fast. The gate of the house. The gate of the house. The insect in the jam. The insect in the jam. The kite in the line. The kite in the line. The mango in the nest. The mango in the nest. And orange in the pot. The orange in the pot. The queen had a ring. The queen had a ring. Snake on the tree. The snake on the tree. And umbrella in the van. Umbrella in the van. The watch in the yak. The watch in the yak with the zebra. With the zebra. Our today's classwork is page number 2. Page number 2 of our Nurture Course A textbook. This is our Nurture Course A textbook. जिसमें आज हम पेज नंबर 2 करेंगे. Now children, what do you see on page number 2? We are seeing the small alphabets from A to Z, A to Z on the balloons. And what do we have to do on the caterpillar, children? Yes, we have to write the missing letters on the caterpillar, starting from letter A to letter Z. So this is our classwork, children. And what will be your homework? Your homework will be to write A to Z in your notebook. So to begin with, we will start with our textbook, page number 2. Page number 2. Please look at the board, children. This is your textbook, page number 2. Page number 2 of our textbook. Once again, please see the textbook properly, parents and children. This is our Nurture Course A book on page number 2. Okay. Now see, how many type of balloons do you see here? I see few red balloons and few blue balloons. There are few red balloons and few blue balloons. Now let us start. Which letter is this? This is letter A. A says A. B says B. C says K. D says D. E says E and F. F says F says G says G. G says G. H says H says. And what is this, children? This is I. I is a vowel. That means it should have two sounds. I says I says E. Then comes J. J says J. J says J. Then is K. K says K. K says K. L says L. L says L. Then is letter M. What does M say? M says M says Then comes letter N. N says N says This is O. What is O, children? It is a vowel, and vowel has two sounds. What is the sound of O? The first sound will be O, and the second sound will be O. 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 Then comes letter P. This is letter P. P says P. Then is Q. Q says Qu. Q says Qu. R says R. R says R. S says S. S says S. T says T. T says T. U says U for U and A. U and A, because it is a vowel. V says V. V says V. W says, do you remember what did I tell you? The difference between the two sounds. V में V बोलना है और W में थोड़ा जोर लगाना है. V. V. What is this? X. X says X. X says X. And this is letter Y. Y says Y. Y says Y. And this is the last letter of our alphabet, children. That is Z. Z says Z. Z says Z. So these were our colorful balloons of red and blue color, in which we saw the small alphabets A to Z. Now looking at these balloons, we have to fill in the caterpillar from small alphabets A to Z. A to Z. Now will you please help me, children? This caterpillar is empty. We need to fill its tummy with the alphabets, with the missing alphabets. Now can you see this caterpillar is happy? As I have always told you, you should always have a smile on your face, because when you are happy, you make others also happy. So now let us start, children. Which letter is this? This is letter A. This is letter A. A says A. A says A. What comes after A? What comes after A, children? Yes, it is B. B says B. How do we write B? A standing line and a half circle. This is small letter B. A, B. What comes after B? C. C says K. C says K. And how do you write C? A half circle. A half circle. A, B, C, D. What is the sound D makes? It says D. It says D. And how do we write D? We will write a standing line and a half circle. This is our small letter D. Now let us again start from A. A, B, C, D. And what comes after D? Yes, it is E. And what is E, children? E is a vowel. E is a vowel which has two sounds. E says E and E says E. So what will we write here? E, small letter E. How will we write small letter E? A sleeping line and a curve. Let us start from A again. A, B, C, D, E. What comes after E? F. F says F says दादाजी की छड़ी and then a sleeping line. दादाजी की छड़ी and then a sleeping line. F says A, B, C, D. E is a vowel. F and then what comes after F, children? Do you remember what comes after F? Yes, it is G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And what is the sound of G, children? It is G. It is G. And how will we write G? We will make a small half circle. That is C बनाना है और उल्टी दादाजी की छड़ी बनानी है. कैसी बनानी है? उल्टी दादाजी की छड़ी. This gives you your letter G. Small letter G. Again A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. What comes after G? H. And how will we write H? What is the sound of H? H says H. H says H. And how will we write letter H? We will make a standing line. We will make a standing line and then a curve and then a curve. H says H. H says H. Now again A, B, C. Please repeat with me, children, and you will write all this with me because as I have always told you, class work आपको मेरे साथ करना है. This is page number 2 of your textbook. A, B, C, D, E is a vowel. It has two sounds. F, G, H. What comes after H? H after I. And I is a vowel. I is a vowel. And what is the sound of I? I says I also and I says E. I says E. Okay. Now let us revise again. A, B, C, D, E is a vowel. F, G, H. I is again a vowel. What comes after I? Yes, it is J. So, how will we write J? We will do ulti दादाजी की छड़ी and a dot. J says J. J says J. What comes after J, children? A is a vowel. A, B, C. D, E is a vowel. F, G, H. I is a vowel. J. What comes after J? H, I, J, K. How will we write letter K, children? We will make a standing line. We will make a standing line and two slant lines. Two small slant lines. This is our small letter K. K says K. K says K. Let us start again. A is a vowel. B, C. D, E is a vowel. F, G, H. I is a vowel again. J, K and L. Very good. L means, small L means a very easy alphabet. It is just a standing line. L says L. L says L. Let us start again, children. A vowel. B, C, D, E again a vowel. F, G, H, I again a vowel, J, K, L, M for monkey, M for mouse, M for mango, and M says M says How do we write letter M, children? A small standing line and two curves. A small standing line and two curves. Okay, M says Start again. Vowel A, B, C, D, E is a vowel, F, G, H, I is a vowel, J, K, L, M. Next will be N for nose, N for nest. N says N says And how do we write N, children? We will write a standing line, small standing line and one curve only. Small standing line and one curve. N says N says Start again, children. A vowel, B, C, D, E vowel, F, G, H, I vowel, J, K, L, M, N after O. O is a vowel. O is a vowel, so it will have two sounds. O says O, O says O. O says O, O says O. Small circle. This is our letter O. O is a vowel. Remember, children. A vowel, B, C, D, E vowel, F, G, H, I again a vowel, J, K, L, M, N, O vowel, P. What comes after O? Yes, P for parrot, P for peacock. How do we write letter P, children? A standing line and a half curve, half circle. A standing line and a half circle. P says P. P says P. Okay, let us start. A vowel, B, C, D, E vowel, F, G, H. I is the vowel. Got it? Very good. J, K, L, M, N, O, vowel, P. And what comes after P? It is letter Q. Letter Q. Q says Qua. Q says Qua. How do we write letter Q, children? A small curve, that is C, standing line and a slant line. This is our letter Q. Q says Qua. Start again with me, children. Please repeat with me and write with me. A vowel, B, C, D, E vowel, F, G, H, I vowel again, J, K, L, M, N, O vowel, P, Q. What comes after Q, children? P, Q, R. Very good. And how will we write letter R? A small standing line or a slight curve. बिल्कुल slight curve करना है आपको. And what is the sound R gives us? R says R. R says R. Okay. Start again. A vowel, B, C, D, E vowel, F, G, H, I vowel, J, K, L, M, N, O vowel, P, Q, R after S. S says This is the way we write S. S says S. Okay. Again, A vowel, B, C, D, E vowel, F, G, H, I vowel, J, K, L, M, N, O vowel, P, Q, R, S, T, T, T. दादाजी की उल्टी छड़ी करेंगे हम एंड अ स्लीपिंग लाइन. दादाजी की उल्टी छड़ी एंड अ स्लीपिंग लाइन. T says T says मेरे साथ वापस हम करेंगे ए वोवल, बी सी डी, ई वोवल, एफ जी एच, आई वोवल, जे के एल, एम एन ओ वोवल, पी क्यू आर, एस टी. What comes after T? S T U. U is a vowel. It has two sounds. It has two sounds. U says U and U says A. U says U. U says A. And how will we write the small letter U, children? It will be a curve and a standing line. It will be a curve and a standing line. Because it is a vowel, I have used a different color chalk, and that means it has two sounds. It has two sounds. A vowel, B C D, E vowel, F G H, I vowel, J K L, M N O vowel, P Q R S T. What comes after T? U. U is a vowel. And what comes after U? S T U V. Very good. How will we write letter V? Small letter V. Two slant lines. Two slant lines meeting together. V says V. V says V. बोल के छोड़ देना है, उसे स्ट्रेच नहीं करना है. इसकी आवाज क्या आएगी? V. V. और W की आवाज क्या आएगी? वह. वह. थोड़ा सा उसे हम स्ट्रेच करके जोर से बोलेंगे. ए वोवल, बी सी डी, ई वोवल, एफ जी एच, आई वोवल, जे के एल, एम एन ओ वोवल, पी क्यू आर, एस टी यू वोवल, वी आफ्टर W. What is the sound of W? I told you, children. इसका साउंड बोल के छोड़ देना है, पर W को थोड़ा स्ट्रेच करना है. वह. वह. And how will we write small letter W? You remember I told you the roller coaster ride. From up to down, up, down, up. This was our small letter W. Wah. Wah. Okay. A vowel, B, C, D, E vowel, F, G, H, I vowel, J, K, L, M, N, O vowel, P, Q, R, S, T, U, U vowel, V, W. Next comes X. Next comes X. हमें क्रॉस करना है. X को मैंने कैसे बोला था? ऐसे क्रॉस करना है. एक लाइन आपने स्लैंट लाइन की, उसके ऊपर दूसरी लाइन को क्रॉस करना है. X says X. X says X. Let us start again. A vowel, B, C, D, E vowel, F, G, H, I vowel, J, K, L, M, N, O. O is a vowel. P, Q, R, S, T, U is a vowel. V, W, X and Y. X and Y. Y कैसे करेंगे? स्मॉल लेटर, स्लैंट लाइन छोटी सी और फिर लंबी स्लैंट लाइन. दिस इज Y. Y says Y. Y says Y. And which is the last letter, children? Very good. It is Z. Z says Z. Z says Z. So what did we do, children, today? Our class work was on page number 2 of your textbook. We read these alphabets on the colorful balloons, and then on the caterpillar we saw the alphabets from A to Z. A to Z. What did I show you here, children? A, E, I, O, U. मैंने क्यों येलो चॉक से लिखा था? Because it is vowels. Vowels have two sounds. Vowels have two sounds. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Now we will do our homework in our notebook. Please check out your 4-line notebook, children. This is your 4-line notebook. This is your 4-line notebook of English. 4-line notebook of English, and in a while we will write here our homework. homework. So students, let us start with our homework. This is the date part. You will write here today's date. Here we will write HW, your homework, and our heading will be, your mama can help you to write the heading. Our heading will be A to Z, A to Z, A to Z, A to Z. Now children, please take care what you have to do here. How will you write and how many alphabets will you write on one line? So let us start. This is your margin line. ये जो रेड कलर की लाइन है उसके बाहर हम कभी भी नहीं लिखते. यहाँ पे आप नहीं लिख सकते हो. We will start from here, from red line to blue line, slant line, another slant line, sleeping line, capital A, small a says A says A. थोड़ी सी स्पेस रखकर you will write here B, standing line, half circle, another half circle. Children, remember, all our capital alphabets will be in between the red line and blue line. Red line and blue line. Capital B, small letter B. Small letter B. A, B. B says B. Then comes C. थोड़ी सी जगह रख के आप C लिखोगे. Capital C. Red line to blue line. Small c in between the blue lines. A, B, C, D. Standing line, half circle. This is your capital letter D says D. D says D. Small letter D. A, B, C, D, E. Standing line, 3 sleeping lines. In between red and blue lines. अब small letter E कैसे करेंगे? Sleeping line and a curve. Sleeping line and a curve. So children, did you see how many letters have I written in one line? I have written A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ये हमारी पैटर्न है. हम एक लाइन में 5 अल्फाबेट्स लिखेंगे. A, B, C, D, E. Then we will write from here F. Standing line, sleeping lines. 2 sleeping lines. This is your capital F. And Dadaji ki chadi and a sleeping line is your small f. F says, F after G. थोड़ी सी जगह रखनी है. दोनों अल्फाबेट, सब अल्फाबेट्स के बीच में आप थोड़ी थोड़ी सी जगह रखोगे. कैपिटल लेटर G, स्मॉल लेटर G, हाफ सर्कल, उल्टी दादाजी की छड़ी. G says G. G says G. H says H. H says H. H says H. I says E. I say I says E. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I after J. I after J. This is your small and capital letter J. Again we have written only 5 alphabets in one line. F, G, H, I, J. थोड़ी थोड़ी सी जगह छोड़कर. J after K. Remember children, margin line के बाहर नहीं लिखना है. K capital K, small k. K says K. K says K. L after M. M says M says M after N. N says N says N after O. O is a vowel. O says O. O says O. K, L, M, N, O. O after P. जो आप नेक्स्ट लाइन से लिखोगे. P says P. P says P. P says P. P after Q. Q, capital Q and a small q. Capital Q and a small q. P, Q, R. थोड़ी थोड़ी सी जगह रखनी है सारे लेटर्स के बीच में आपको, ओके? एंड यू विल राइट कैपिटल एंड स्मॉल लेटर्स टुगेदर. R after S. R, S. S says S says S. R, S, T. T says T. Capital letter T. उल्टी दादाजी की छड़ी and a sweeping line. T. T. P, Q, R, S, T. What comes after T? U. हम यहाँ पे next line से लिखेंगे. Capital U. Small u is a vowel. It has two sounds. U says U. U says A. U. V. Capital and small. V says V. W. V. V. W. X. Cross करना है. X says X. X says X. Y. Capital Y, small y. Y says Y. U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Very good. Z says Z. Z says Z. So children, we wrote here our date, today's date. HW is your homework. A to Z heading your mama can write for you, and you will only write 5 letters in one line. 5 letters in one line. आप बोलते बोलते साउंड के साथ कैपिटल और स्मॉल अल्फाबेट्स लिखोगे. This is your homework A to Z. A to Z. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you. Namaskar and have a good day.